Hello and welcome to Bits and Pieces with Ade. My name is Adeswa Ibon, and today I'll be talking about the differences between